Hey, ladies and gentlemen, I'm Pirum, tour guide at Angkor Complex in Cambodia. Today, I want to tell everybody some background of Bayon Temple. This is Bayon built in middle 12th century for dedicating to Buddhism and Hinduism, and the king who built this temple who worshiped both religion, Buddhism and Hinduism. And on Bayon is 49 covered temple, all 4 faces Buddha. They represent 49 of the Bodhisattvas. And on first gallery of Bayon, you see masterpiece of carving. This real history of Cambodia, the war between Cambodian and Cham. And you see the Cambodian military and Chinese military cooperation military to kill Cham. This is Chinese military. Chinese military has band and beach and a mini skirt. And also you will see Cambodian military. The Cambodian military has some short hair, long hair, their body wrapped by rope. That's a rope, magical rope to protect their life. And also they're wearing long clothes. And this is Cambodian military, you see, body wrapped by rope and wearing long clothes, short hair, long hair. So this is a real of war between Cambodian and Cham during 12th century, because Cham the invasion to Cambodia. Yeah, you look at this Chinese, you see bun and beach and mini clothes. Yeah, so should be everybody come to Cambodia to visit Cambodia, to visit Kingdom of Wonder. Cambodian has anything to see, like a lot of temple, 1,000 temple in Cambodia, you know. And also we have beach, islands, and even freshwater dolphin, you know, freshwater dolphin in Mekong River. So should be come here to see Cambodia. It's amazing, or the best destination to Cambodia. So hopefully everybody will to visit Cambodia, to visit Kingdom of Wonder. And then I'm Pirum, blessing to everybody in the world on the best healthy, lucky and long life everyone. Thanks.